guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe before you leave. Today I'm going to show you how to create this blue cut crease eyeshadow look. If you're interested, please keep on watching. So I'm going to zoom you guys in slightly. Just with any angled brush, I'm going to create like a light winged liner effect, just about the natural crease line. And you can use any black gel liner to do this. So try not to do it on the crease line, just slightly above the crease line, and I'm going to bring it all the way in up to there. Now I'm going to do the same on my other eye. Now I'm going to fill in the edges. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side. Now with any brown eyeshadow, I'm just going to go over the black line that we've created, just to smoke that out slightly. Just on top of the line, sorry, not over the line, just above the black line that we created. Now just with any tapered brush, I'm just going to blend that up. And I'm going to do the same on my other eye. Now with a blending brush, you're just going to blend that up. Now with any matte black eyeshadow, just go over the black that we've lined. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Now from the Morphe palette, I'm going to use this blue on my lid, and I'm going to apply this with a MAC 217S brush. So I've only applied the blue shade in the center of my lips. I didn't go over the black shadow that we've used, and I've left a little bit of gap there. Now I'm going to use this dark blue shade there with the same brush. I'm just going to apply where the black and the blue meet, so just to use that as a blending color. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Now with a blending brush, I'm going to blend that out. Now with an angled brush, I'm going to use this to blend out the harsh black line that we created with the shadow. The reason I'm using an angled brush to blend it out is because I would just want the black to go blend upwards, not bring it down. Now you do the same thing on the other eye. The reason this doesn't have to be perfect is because you're gonna go over this with a brown eyeshadow. Now with the same brown eyeshadow that you've used before, I'm gonna take some more of the same shadow and just go over the black shadow that we just tried to blend out. Now again, with the blending brush, you just blend everything out. Now from the same Morphe eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use this white shade there. Now I'm going to apply some brown eyeshadow on my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to take a little bit of black shadow and go over the brown shadow. Now from the Huda Beauty Obsession palette, I'm going to apply this blue shade. I'm just going to apply that on the center of the blue. Now I'm going to use the highlighter from MAC, Soft and Gentle. And I'm going to apply this over the white eyeshadow that we've applied there. Now I'm going to apply some eyeliner, and the one I'm going to use is a liquid eyeliner from Rimmel. I completely forgot to highlight my brow bone, so I'm just going to apply a little bit there. Now I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'll come back with the final look. So this is the complete look, guys. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.